So this is the amount of money that I've got with this last week, guys, and trust me, anyone can do this, okay? There are a few simple steps that you have to follow. Do them exactly as I do them, and of course, hit that subscribe. Let's get that money. So the first thing that we have to do today is we have to find a video just like this one is. So you want to go and search for some make money online videos. You can use this channel's videos, of course. You can use this video. You can use whatever you want, or you can just use some other people's videos. It doesn't matter. We just need to make the money with it. Now, of course, you don't have to make the videos yourself. No channel on YouTube, nothing of that sort. We're just going to make money out of what is already there. So you can choose, for example, which one of you want. You can take this guy. This guy's really good. It's called Mr. Money, and he has like really good videos. I suggest that you take a look at him as well. And then we can take some of those ideas, some of those videos, in order to just put up a strategy, which I'm going to show you step by step. This is, of course, going to work all around the world, so you don't have to worry about your location. Anybody can make money with this if you have some patience and if you do the steps. Now, the next thing that we have to do is we have to head over to sniply.io, and this is the website. As you can see, it's a simple tool that shortens links and allows you to overlay your own custom message onto any piece of content. So you can visit any website, and on that website, on that link that you're going to share, there's going to be a call to action. So I don't know, maybe you can go for Facebook, and if someone visits your link, well, your call to action is going to appear on whichever website they are. So on Instagram, on Facebook, on, I don't know, just simple Google, your short link is given the call to action. Okay, this is a very powerful tool. I don't know how they do it, but there is a simple thing. So you will add call to action to every shortened link that you share. So this is really good. This is what is going to get us the traffic, and that traffic indeed is going to make us money in the end, right? So what you want to do is you just want to create yourself a new account. You can do that by Google. You can just use Twitter, Facebook, and since we're there, I suggest make a new Facebook account. Even though you have Facebook already, I suggest that you just make a new one for this strategy. Okay, so just make a new account. That's going to be good, so we can just continue. Now, this is going to be your dashboard on sniply.io, and you can see that it is a pretty simple thing. When we come to this step, we will just have to click on new call to action, but before that, you have to find the video, of course. So, regarding which video you have chosen, let's choose this one. You can go inside of it and then just click on the share option, and then you just copy this URL. Okay, copy that URL, and then go to Sniply, back to Sniply, click on new call to action, and in here you just have to do a simple configuration. Okay, so first of all, let's just click on a button. Okay, so we need this button, and we just now need to enter the message. Okay, and the button URL is going to be the video which we have downloaded, actually which we have pasted. So we can just paste that in, and immediately on the right hand side you will see how this will look like. So it's going to be YouTube video in the back, and there's going to be your call to action in here. So whenever someone watches that video, this will pop up and they will see this message. Now we just gotta edit this message so we can make people do something, okay? And that something is gonna make us a lot of money. So that's the trick. Now the next step, we have to connect this to AF+. Just type in AF+ in the search bar on Google, click on the AF+, and this website is gonna give us the money actually. So this is where we withdraw the money. So this website has a lot of these affiliate offers, but you can see that some of these are crazy expensive. You can get $1,000, but these are the hardest to do. Okay, it is hard to get the traffic for it, and it's hard to get the people to buy something. Okay, so what are we gonna do is we're gonna involve ourselves into some make money online websites. So you can just go and you can search for maybe even sweepstakes, or you can just search for the affiliate offers, and you can just search for surveys. I already did that, and you can just find something which is good. So for example, this one is good. You can see that you can get $1.96, and this offer is CPA. Now this stands for cost per action. So whenever someone does certain action, you get the money. So if you click on the run this offer, of course you will just have to make yourself an account. You'll be led here to just make that account and start the offer in your name to get your affiliate link. And then whenever someone signs up on this website, which is called Survey Junkie, you get $1.96. So actually that's $2 per sign up. So people need to sign up and you get that money. So you can see why this is easy and why this is working so good. People don't have to buy anything at all, okay? They just need to sign up on this website, which is Survey Junkie, where they can actually make some money, right? And this is gonna be our call to action, okay? So this is what you're gonna get. So now what we wanna do is we wanna head over back to Sniply, and then you can just replace this button URL with your affiliate link, okay? That's where it's gonna lead to Survey Junkie, okay? That's gonna be your affiliate link, and here you can just enter the message. So you can just write something like make money online with this website, okay? So that's gonna be a good call to action, and anyone who sees this, it's gonna give them something like this. So you can just tap this, of course, as well. So click here to get money, and you can see down there how it changes. So whenever someone watches the video, whenever they land on such a video, they will watch this video and they will get a call to action in this box over here. So now you just have to set this up some more. So you can just click on continue, and then you can just make this like, I don't know, maybe you can change the color, maybe you can just change like this theme. You can just make this to your liking, okay? You can see that it can cover the whole page at the bottom, or it can just go like by the side, or it can be like a pop-up window, whatever, guys. However you like it, you can make it. There's a lot of options here. Sniply is versatile, and that's why it is so good. So now we have finished this. You can just go to call to action. Now it is here on your dashboard, as you can see. And now, of course, we go back to that Facebook account that we have created just for this purpose, okay? So what do you have to do on Facebook? Well, Facebook is going to give us the traffic. You can search for make money online. Just type that in the search bar and then just head over to these groups, okay? And you will see that there are actually a lot of these groups on Facebook, and people gather in these groups because they want to get the tips, they want to get advice on how to get some money online, okay? So people are helping each other, so they just post a few websites, they just post what they know, what they see, and because our job is to do a research, well, we have a lot to cover, okay? So you can just go into all of these groups and just make the comments, okay? Of course, you're gonna paste your Sniply link, okay? The people are gonna watch the video. They're gonna get call to action. Sniply is gonna take them over to that offer from F+, and then whenever someone signs up, you will get $2 per each one of those signups because they came through your link, okay? That's how this is rewarding you. So for each one of those, and you only need like 10 per day to get like $20. I mean, this is a really, really good offer, and it works because people don't have to buy anything. They just have to sign up, and that's very, very easy. Now just go, follow the steps, take the action, and I'll catch you.